Insider podcast from Expona's System Tours. Today I'm here with Phil from Yamaha to talk about Phil. We've known each other for years. This is one of my favorite brands of all time. I mean, it's historic. You know, you guys have just a great story and great, looking products that ties into that lineage. Talk a little bit about how that process, that lineage and the heritage of the Yamaha brand.
Yeah, it's the DNA of the brand. Largest musical instrument company in the world. 25% of all musical instruments sold worldwide are Yamaha branded.
Wow.
We're making all these instruments, and all of a sudden, in the late 70s, 60s, and 70s, all of a sudden hi-fi got to be popular worldwide. And so you had all these brands doing this, and someone at Yamaha goes, well, wait a minute, we make the musical instruments. We should make something to play the music that's being created by those instruments back on the product. That's kind of where Yamaha audio was developed and where it really flourished.
So all that ties into the products that you guys make today.
Yeah. And then Yamaha has expanded everything. Largest manufacturer of musical instruments, which we talked about, but we also do professional audio. We do mixing, we do education, and we do playback. So from the time we sell the instrument that the person plays, we sell the professional gear that they record it on. We sell the PA gear that they perform on stage with, and then we sell the home audio gear. So we're the only company that does everything from building the instrument to giving a playback experience with the products. And so that's what we're showing off here. And with the 2-channel products that we have here at the show, these are the best of the best of what we do.
You guys have let's start with the 5000 series. It's like the flagship Yamaha hi-fi system.
Yeah, this is the 5000 series is pretty cool. Yamaha has done this maybe every 10 or 15 years, is they will do a flagship product. So they take their best engineers and put them on a project and go, here, in this case, build us an amplifier and a preamp and speakers and a turntable, just a whole system. But the best part about being on that project as an engineer, you don't have a budget to hit. It's not like, okay, it needs to retail for $9.99, so you got to do whatever you can to make. This has no budget. And so whatever it comes up to be is the best we can possibly do. It has the patents that we do. We took 7 years to develop the 5000 series. When we first went to work on it, to develop and listening and testing and all that stuff, took 7 years.
See, I didn't even know that.
So the 5000 series, that is what was the result of that 7 years. So that was going good, but they're all analog at this point. So then last year we go, some people want even more simplicity. Let's put everything in one box, and that's where the RN 2000 comes in, and that's what we're listening to next door. We're listening to the 3200 and the 2000. So now we have our streaming services, we have our DAC function, we have HDMI input just for convenience and things like that, and it's all app controlled and stuff like that. So if you want everything in 2-channel in a single box, a single very beautiful box, these wood side panels on those receivers have a piano finish on them. Yamaha makes the pianos, we know how to finish our pianos, we know how to finish our speakers.
The story is built right into the product. It's amazing.
Yeah, when you buy a Yamaha product that has a piano finish on it, it's a piano finish.
Legit piano finish. It's wild. And I think it's really cool how you guys kept the same heritage look to everything. That means a lot to a lot of people because they grew up, it could have been somebody that maybe they were a kid and that's what their parent had, or, they had a hi-fi system, 40 years ago and that's what they had. Now they can enjoy that again. I think it's neat how here at the show you guys have all those displayed with the acrylic cases so you can see the build, the quality build that's in the Yamaha is just incredible. So it's, I think you're making waves.
That's our goal. That's what we're supposed to be doing. That's what we're paid to do.
Awesome. So from the Expona Audio Insider podcast, the System Tours, Lenny and Phil from Yamaha, I appreciate you coming on the show today. We will see you guys next time.